Okay, so me and my friends have done basically this sort of fun little project with these worms. Yeah, the worms are in there. I've only got like one that I could show you because I lost the other one. Okay, so, oh, and there's a roly-poly, but I'm going to have to show it to you up close right now. Okay, get on my finger. Wait, can you see? Okay, you see it? It's that gray thing. Move, walk around. Okay, it's walking around. See it? Alright. I'm not going to pick up the worm because it's going to go all crazy. So, you'll be able to see it move. See it moving around there. So, yeah, it's moving around. Crap. I can't find the other worm right now, so I don't know where it is. Oh, and there's a few baby ones at the bottom. Can't really see it that good, though. They're little tiny white ones. So, that's it for now.